Okay, here we're gonna go mix up the ingredients now. So first up, we'll get 2 cups of white sugar, followed by 2 cups of brown sugar, and then followed by 2 cups of kosher salt, make sure it's kosher salt. Don't use normal like iodized salt. It's got to be kosher salt. And then another 2 cups of black pepper, and then 1 cup of chili powder, then a 1/4 cup of cayenne pepper. You know, if you like it hotter, you can always add some more. I always do. I like my heat. And then 1 cup of paprika. And then we have to add a 1/4 cup of garlic powder. And also a 1/4 cup of onion powder. And that's it. Now mix it really well and put it aside, and get your meat ready, and you know, use the rub. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.